Item number 4, which stationary component of an electric motor generates the magnetic field? Ano po yan? Is it A, stator, letter B, rotor, letter C, armature, o letter D, brushes? Ano po yung tumpak na choice? Part mismo ng ating electric motor that is stationary. Okay? Kapag sinabi po natin stationary, of course, yan po ay nagsistay lamang, di ba? Hindi po siya nag-move. Yan po yung ating stationary component. Okay. Letter A, stationary. Of course, yan po ay tumpak. Okay, tandaan po natin, no? Pag sinabi po nating stator, ito po yung stationary mismo, no? Or stationary component po ng ating motor that produces magnetic field. Okay, yan po yung ating stator. Yung, of course, yung rotor, ito po yung something that creates movement. Okay, yan po yun. Nagbo-move mismo, nagro-rotate. Yan po yung ating rotor. Yung letter C, armature, tandaan po natin, typically po, no, it refers to the rotating coil or winding, no, in some motors, especially po sa ating mga direct current motors, di ba? It can sometimes be part of the rotor. Yan po yung ating armature. Kitang-kita po, ito po yung ating armature. Yung brushes po, tandaan po natin, as what I have mentioned, ito po yung mga stationary components po natin, no, in brushed motors that deliver current to the commutator and rotor windings. Okay, yan po yung ating brushes.